Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Talk Help Guy. Today, I'm going to show you how you can transform your business email account to personal email account. But currently, I'm using a personal email account, so it works either way, vice versa. You can do it. You can use your email account, your personal email account, and then turn it into a business account. So how you're going to do that is quite simple. What you need to do is to go here to Google account. But how do you do that? Well, from the main interface, just click on your profile icon right here. And then what you want to do is go to manage your Google account. Afterwards, you kind of want to scroll here from the left, go down to people sharing, and then scroll down and then turn on business personalization. So if you are currently using a business account or a business account and you're not using personal account, then this will be turned on. If you want it to be on a personal account, just simply turn it off. And that's it. It says there it takes 48 hours, but really it just takes around a couple of minutes, and that's it. The business features are off, and now you can proceed using your account as a personal account. And hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and, of course, the subscribe button. Follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.